Now next example is we have to design DFA accepting all the strings that are starting with AA always, and we have sigma is equal to A comma B. Okay, so first we will try to write set L. Okay, so what is the condition? We have to extract all the strings that are starting with double A always. Okay, so smallest string will be 2 times A. Okay, so next smallest string will be AAB. Okay, so first AA is common for all the strings. Okay, so AAB, or we can say AAA also. Okay, means what? First double A is common, and after that we can have any combination of A and B. So any combination of A and B means A plus B star. Okay, means what? जसं आपण की सिग्मा स्टार लिहिलेला आहे, ए आणि बी चा जर सिग्मा स्टार कॅल्क्युलेट केला तर ऑल पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स ऑफ ए अँड बी येतो. तसं सेम I can write this same as A plus B bracket star. Okay, so again now next string will be A A, okay, or A B, or A B A, or A B B. Here we have taken only two length combination of B and A after the substring double A. Okay, now next onwards will be double A, then 3 times A. Okay, and here we have to take all the strings of combinations of 3 length of A and B. Okay, now next 4 length combinations of A and B followed after double A substring. Okay, so now we will start to draw finite automata. Okay, so for the first string, that is AA, I can take initial state Q0, then A, then Q0. Okay, and now this will be again A. Okay, so this will be state Q1, and this will be final state because I want double A string to be accepted. Okay, now next what I want after this double A string, that is A combination of A and B of any length. Okay, so combinations, all possible combinations of A and B of all length means that is nothing but loop of A comma B. Okay, so this means what? The compulsory part of each and every string. And what is the compulsory part? That is डबल ए स्ट्रिंग. ओके, सो इथपर्यंत आपण डबल ए स्ट्रिंगचा DFA ड्रॉ केला होता. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला काय पाहिजे? ऑल पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन्स ऑफ ऑल लेंथ्स. ओके, सो दॅट विल बी नथिंग बट A, B bracket star. So A, B bracket star is nothing but the loop of A, B. Okay, so this is our final DFA. Okay, we will enter one string that would be the part of L. Okay, so we'll take one random string. Okay, suppose consider AA. Okay, so that is the must. So AA, then A B B A B A. Okay, so I have considered this string and I'll input this string to the designed finite automata. Okay, so what will happen here? A. Okay, so after reading A, we'll move to Q0. Sorry, here is the Q1 state and this will be Q2 state. Okay, because all states are distinct in finite automata. Okay, so I'll go to state Q1. For next A, I'll go to state Q2. Again, here is again 1A. Okay, so this will read by this transition A. Now next is what? B. Okay, so again B, again A, again A, again B, again A. Okay, now here I have completed my input string and I am here at state Q2, and Q2 is my final state. That's why this string is get accepted by this finite automata. Okay, suppose we enter some wrong string. Okay, so wrong string means what will be the wrong string? So that string that is not starting with double A. Okay, so I have considered this string. We'll see whether this string will be accepted by this finite automata or not. Okay, so what will be the first input? that is A. Okay, so Q0, A will go to state Q1. Then next is what? Next input symbol is B. There is no transition for B. Okay, so we'll stuck here at state Q1 only. Okay, we cannot move to some other state by taking input symbol B. Okay, so we are here only at state Q1. Okay, so this string will not be accepted by this finite automata. Okay, आणि तसं पण ती स्ट्रिंग ऍक्सेप्ट व्हायला नकोच आहे, कारण का? बिकॉज दिस स्ट्रिंग इज नॉट पार्ट और दिस स्ट्रिंग डज नॉट बिलोंग टू L, because this string does not start with double A. Okay, means we can say that our designed or resultant finite automata is correct. Now you should write all the tuples of resultant finite automata Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and F. Okay, hope so you have understood this question.